calculation. What does it mean, chemical calculation? Chemical calculation means with mole given, so we can find out mass. For example, this is mole and this is mole convert N to the mass. This is also chemical calculation. When mass is given, mass could be converted into the mole. This is also called chemical calculation. Sometimes, look at it. Sometimes number of particles will be given and mole can be calculated. Mole can be calculated. Sometimes mole could be given and number of particles can be calculated. So this is called chemical calculation. This is called the chemical calculation. So we have the example right now. For example, calculate the number of mole in 60 grams of carbon dioxide. What does it mean? It means we have 60 grams of carbon dioxide and 60 grams of carbon dioxide. How much mole would be present in this carbon dioxide? So for this we can calculate the number of mole from the carbon dioxide. We can calculate number of mole from the carbon dioxide. Look at how we can calculate. So just cancel point. Look at. First of all, we will write the given data. This is the given data. Given data we have the 60 grams of the carbon dioxide. So look at the second step. This is the step number first, and this is the step number second. So required means we can find out the mole. So we can find out the mole. So mean we don't know about the mole. So mole here is not available right now. So we can calculate the mole. Next up, the third step would be the solution. In the solution, what we will write? As we know that we have a formula. So it means when we find out the number of mole from the given mass, so we can calculate, we can use this formula. Formula we have N. N is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So look at it. First of all, we will find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Why we can find the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Because we don't have molar mass. So when we find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide, so after that we will put the value in the above equations. So after that the numerical would be solved. For example, suppose this is so now we will find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So molar mass means, so if you find out the molar mass of some molecule, so what does it mean, the molar mass? The sum of atomic masses which is present in the molecule is known as a molecular mass. Molecular mass and molar mass. Look at. So how we can find? Look at. This is carbon atomic number 12 and oxygen atomic number 16. So we have the two oxygen. So now look at 16 multiplied by 2. So it will become 32. So you should plus this 12 with a 32. So it will become 44 grams per mole. So now the bargain has been struck. Look it. So this value we will put in the above equation. So mass. What is the mass? Where is mass? Mass is this one, 60 grams. So and if we are putting the value in equation number 1, this is equation number 1. So N is equal to mass. Mass we have 60. Molar mass we have the 44 grams. So now 60 grams divided by 44 grams per mole. So grams will be cancelled with this grams. So if we calculate by the calculator are like this, so the given value would be N is equal to 1.36 1.364. This is mole. What does it mean? It means, my question is right now, look at, if you suppose this is carbon, you can suppose this is carbon. And this carbon, if you balance, so it means this carbon is 60 gram. This carbon is a 60 gram. So if you convert this 60 gram carbon into the mole, so these 60 gram carbon dioxide would become what? 1.36 moles. Got my point? So this is called the mole, this is called the chemical calculation. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss how to calculate how to convert mass into the mole, how we can convert mole into the mass, how we can convert number of particles into the mass, and how we can convert mass into the number of particles, and we can also be discuss how we can convert number of particles into the mole, and how we can convert the number of mole into the particle. So this is called the chemical calculation. Got it?